Judge Morvant, you were sharing with us that sometimes young people make the poor choice to drink and drive, get the conviction, and that conviction stays on their record for quite some time and can in fact negatively impact their future.
There's a common misconception that young people who get a DWI, we have an article in Louisiana law, actually two. For a felony, it's Article 893 under the Code of Criminal Procedure. For a misdemeanor, which a first offense DWI would be, it's Article 894. And under those articles, you can come in, plead to the offense, you're placed on a form of supervised probation. If you satisfactorily complete your probation, at the end of that probationary period, the conviction is set aside and the charges are dismissed. The effect is as if there was no conviction. The common misconception is that it ends there. There is a permanent record of that conviction. It will follow these kids. First, if they get a second arrest, they're not going to be charged with first offense this time. That first offense that they went through the 894 will be used for enhancement purposes to enhance it to a second. The other problem that a lot of times the kids don't really look past the end of their nose and perceive is kids graduate from college, go on to medical school, law school, some type of professional degree, almost any profession that requires licensing, whether you're an engineer, a doctor, a dentist, going into EMS or going to law school, there's going to be a background check. And part of that is you're going to have to disclose not only that arrest, but that conviction, and there's going to then be a determination of whether or not you are morally fit, a character check, to see if you're going to be accepted into this profession. And we've seen situations where persons applying to be a doctor or a lawyer, after graduating from college, after finishing med school or law school, they're on the threshold of their chosen profession that they've wanted to do since they were kids, and suddenly they're told, I'm sorry, we're not going to let you in. Your past behavior puts you at risk, and we're not going to license you either in the medical profession or the legal profession.
So as parents, when we're talking to our children about their futures and their choice of career and their majors, this is a discussion we need to have with them. We need to make them understand that while we're quick to tell them that your transcripts and your grade point average will be scrutinized, we've probably not been talking to them about the potential for this kind of behavior to, in fact, keep them out of school or their chosen profession.
Exactly, and I would venture to guess a lot of parents may not know that either.
This concludes our discussion on underage drinking. I want to thank our guests for being here and sharing with us your vast knowledge of this topic, and thank you, our viewers. And I want to urge you, call iCare if you have any questions or need any assistance in working with your young people. Thank you.